Hey guys, good morning. So we are going to the market to buy some vegetables along with my mom. Mommy, say hi.
Hi.
So we are we have to buy some vegetables so nearby our city. So we get some vegetables. So we also gonna buy some mangoes, and I will also show you guys what is the price like in this market. You will get the fresh vegetables along with the price is too steep. You can't expect that on this price you will get some fresh vegetables from just from the field or just from the ground, and the farmers are so humble, so good. So we are going to show that what is the price gonna be, and the people of our city and all the things. So let's see. So guys, as you can see that this is the local market where we buy fresh vegetables. So market, the market which it's on the road. So you can see that like a lot of vendors, local vendors are selling the fruits, as you can see that. And we have some fresh vegetables as well, fresh fruits like papaya is there, lychee, mangoes, many more other stuff. So if you are really interested to buy, like people usually the locals of here used to buy the fruits. So as you can see that we had on the shop of mango, rip mango. So we are going to use the rip mangoes for the murabba. So the price of this mango is like almost 25 rupees. So it's cost almost 0.20 like almost half dollar per kg. So as you can see that guys, like here we get the makai, and we have some kheras as well. Like I don't know the English meaning, so if you guys know what is the English meaning of these vegetables, so you guys can comment. So as you can see that on the street we are getting some vegetables. You guys had just eat the street food, but here you get the street vegetables, and that's a very cool and which I love here to visit. Like on the street you will get the vegetables. So as you can see that we have different things, like we have, as you can see that, radish, chilies, tomato, and many more others. This is the exit of market, like till here, from that place to till here we got some vegetables. Like as you can see that tomatoes, we have many more other stuff. Like I can see just only tomatoes, because chilies as well, lot of chilies, a lot of farmers vendors are there. And as you can see that we have some kaddu as well, and a different like kind of vegetables. And we are gonna buy some mangoes from this shop. My mom has buy almost 10 kilos mango from this shop. So this cost almost in Indian rupees like 25 per kilo. So we had bought almost 10 kilos mangoes. So my mom going to use this all the mangoes to make the pickle kind of stuff. So this cost me almost 250 Indian rupees, become almost 3.5 dollars something kind of. So this is the mango which we had bought, and now it's time to buy some vegetables for lunch and dinner. So we are going to buy some vegetables as well. So we are going to bought almost 250-gram chilies. So this cost, I don't know what is the price, so we also gonna check the price. We are going to bought cucumber. The cucumber cost per kg 40 rupees, and it's cost almost 0.45 dollar kind of. So in $1 it's almost 80 rupees. So you can see that like almost half dollar kind of this cost cucumber. And after that we're gonna bought some vegetables as well. So we had bought 1 kg lasun, and we're gonna put inside our bag. And the cost of the lesson, up to ask what is the price, so I'm gonna ask that as well. And this is the shortage, you can see that from the local markets. The vehicles are going there, going and coming, but people are also coming and going buying vegetables. So that's interesting here. So my mom is going to buy calakas. We also call it lauki in Hindi. So this cost almost 30 rupees per piece, and this is quite good, cool in the summer. So people usually eat in the summer to make your stomach cool. So we are going to buy one calakas or lauki, you can stuff, you can think that. And after that we're gonna pay, and we also gonna buy some rest of the foods, rest of the vegetables. So we are going to buy 1 kg lufa, and this cost 30 rupees INR. So my mom is excited to bought lufa as well, and we're gonna also eat lupa vegetables. And this is another place where a lot of vegetables, as you can see that lufas, ladyfinger, and many more vegetables which I don't know the name in English. I know the name in Hindi. We call like nenua, bhindi, and as you can see that. And I don't know the rest of the name, but we'll next time we'll memorize that and let you know. We are also going to bought lady finger 1 kg, and this costs 30 rupees per kilogram. And as you can see that this is the local vendors. This is how we sell the fruits and vegetables. So we had done all the marketing stuff. Now it's time to bring our mangoes. We had bought the mango, but we put our mango bag at the shop. So we are going to bring that, and after that, me and my mom are going to home along with that. And I will also let you know, guys, like how many price we had bought that, and after that, let's see. We also going to buy some papayas. So this cost almost 50 rupees per kg. So we are going to bought that as well. So let's see. So this is our bag which we had bought. Almost we also gonna bought this bhatti as well. And yeah. Now after that, we are heading towards the home and we will start working. Alright. So let's see a top view of the market. Alright. As you can see that this bag is like almost 15 kilograms, and I can't lift it up because we have almost 10 kilos mangoes and 2 kilo papayas and 2 kilos bhatti, and this costs almost 20 kilograms, and I'm not able to lift it up. So guys, there's just one incident happened with me. Like we had bought the lauki, but we had put the lauki on the shops, and we were telling that I will took the vegetables when I went to the home. But what has happened now, I will forget to bring the take the vegetables while going to the market. So I have to again come up to the market and took the vegetables, took the lauki especially. So I went to the market and took the lauki as well, and I also ate some breakfast like puri sabzi kind of stuff. And as you can see that this is the lauki which we had brought up, and yeah, this is too hot, like almost the temperature is too hot. But yeah, the market of the local is quite good well, and you can also enjoy that.